What does the crystal ball reveal about the Indian economy and stock market in 2024? As we peer into the future, the Indian economy presents a vibrant tapestry of growth and resilience. The key sectors powering this economic engine are technology, manufacturing, and renewable energy, each threading their own narrative of innovation and sustainability. The Indian stock market, too, is reflecting these positive undercurrents. With an uptick in investor confidence, both domestic and foreign, we're seeing an overall bullish trend. Now let's talk numbers. Economists predict an expected growth rate for the Indian economy in 2024, hovering around 7%, a testament to the country's robust financial framework and forward-looking policies. So as we gaze into the crystal ball, the images might be a bit hazy, but one thing stands out: resilience. And resilience, my friends, is a powerful catalyst for growth. So the forecast for the Indian economy and stock market in 2024 looks promising. What can history teach us about the performance of the U.S. economy and stock market in election years? Let's take a stroll down memory lane and examine the performance of the U.S. economy and stock market during past election years. You'll see a fascinating pattern of ups and downs, ebbs and flows, reflecting the pulse of the nation as it chooses its leaders. Starting from the mid-20th century, the U.S. economy has often shown resilience in election years. The economy tends to grow at a steady pace, influenced by factors such as fiscal policies, consumer confidence, and global economic conditions. However, it's not always a smooth ride. For instance, in the election year of 1980, the U.S. economy entered a recession due to the energy crisis and high inflation. Turning our attention to the stock market, it's quite a roller coaster. The market doesn't always follow the broader economy. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down, but it's rarely dull. For example, in the election year of 2000, the dot-com bubble burst led to a sharp decline in stock prices. Yet, in 2012, the market rallied, despite the lingering effects of the global financial crisis. What's crucial to understand is that the stock market is affected by a myriad of factors during election years. These include the perceived policies of the candidates, geopolitical events, and, of course, investor sentiment. It's the interplay of these factors that results in the market's performance. Interestingly, one anomaly that stands out is the stock market's performance during presidential re-election years. Historically, the market has often performed well in these years, reflecting investor confidence in continuity and stability. As we look at these trends and patterns, it's crucial to remember that while history can provide us with insights, it doesn't guarantee future performance. The economy and stock market are influenced by a complex web of factors, many of which are unpredictable. History shows that election years have often brought interesting dynamics to the U.S. economy and stock market. With 2024 on the horizon, what's the outlook for the Indian and U.S. economy and stock markets? As we peer into the crystal ball of economic forecasting, the future appears to be a promising one for both the Indian and U.S. economies. A variety of factors contribute to this positive outlook. Starting with India, the country's robust demographic dividend, progressive reforms, and burgeoning digital economy are all strong indicators of growth. India's youth, with their increasing purchasing power, are driving domestic demand and hence fueling the economy. Moreover, government-led initiatives for infrastructural development and foreign direct investment, FDI, are poised to provide a significant boost to the Indian economy. In the stock market, these factors translate into a promising landscape for both existing companies and new entrants, offering a plethora of investment opportunities. On the other side of the globe, the U.S. economy is also projected to shine brightly in 2024. Bolstered by technological advancements, a robust startup ecosystem, and resilient consumer spending, the U.S. continues to solidify its position as a global economic powerhouse. The stock market mirrors this optimism, with sectors like technology, healthcare, and renewable energy leading the charge. But 2024 is not just any year for the U.S., it's an election year. Traditionally, the stock market has performed well in election years, with the uncertainty of political outcomes often leading to increased market volatility and opportunities for savvy investors. The economy too historically sees a surge as campaign spending increases, stimulating various sectors of the economy. However, it's essential to remember that while the overall outlook is positive, economies and markets are complex systems influenced by a multitude of factors. Success lies in staying informed, adaptable, and keeping a keen eye on both domestic and global trends. The future looks bright for both the Indian and U.S. economies and stock markets in 2024. So whether you're an investor, economist, or simply a curious observer, there's much to look forward to in the year ahead.